morning, classmate ma'am, classmate sir. So this is my report. It's all about definitions of terms of Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2008. So let's begin with administer, which is any act of introducing dangerous drugs into someone's body without pre-consent or assisting someone self-administering such drugs is illegal and is done by a licensed medical professional for medical purposes. So administering illegal drugs without the consent of a person or individuals will be will have the punishment of life imprisonment at 500,000 to 10 million. So this includes the any act of introducing drugs or someone's against their will. So aiding someone in self-administering them. So for example, person A injects something into person B without his consent. Whatever happens to person B, person A will be liable. So the next one. So the other term for administer was to carry out, or the one who execute, or the one who handles in injecting something into someone's body. So the second one is which is chemical diversion, illegal sales, distribution, or transfer of controlled precursors of essential chemicals to individuals or entities. Manufacturing dangerous drugs includes actions like packaging, labeling, and concealing these transactions through fraud or misuse of permits. The best example of this was the country B orders something from country A, which is potassium permanganate, an illegal substance that is an ingredients in manufacturing drugs, or usa pa mabuo ang drugs gani kanang kailangan po siya kuan mga ingredients din abot sa country mo to siya ni nag-order from country A in order to bypass to country B, which have the legal drugs. So ilang gikuan gani boldly declares that it is a medicine for sickness. So para dili sila madakpan sa kuan gani sa mga checkpoint or mga security measures, in order for them to bypass or the security measures para maabot siya sa country B. Muna siyang chemical diversion, which is ang paglihis sa attention through chemical substance or false labeling gani. They use false labeling or mga fake permits para mo-enter sa across national borders or mga security measures. So the next one, which is clandestine laboratory, any facility used for the illegal manufacture of any dangerous drug and or controlled precursor and essential chemical. So other term for clandestine, which is a secret laboratory, or kanang dili siya makita or lisod siya pangitaon kay naa dito gi kuan gani gi manufacture ginagama ang usa ka droga. For example, inside the hotel na siya mga underground or mga secret laboratory dito niya, wala sila ka kuan gani, wala sila na detect, or sa mga bypass operation dili sila man-detect gani. Muna siya, other term for clandestine laboratory was a secret laboratory or lisod pangitaon nga nasa sulod. Yes. Next one, which is a controlled precursor and essential chemicals, include those listed in tables 1 and tables 2 of the 1988 UN Convention Against Illicit Trafficking in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances, which is mao siyang other term for nani guys, mga ingredients ni siya sa mga ganit drugs, legal drugs ba. Sa pamabuo ang drugs, kailangan ni siya for building blocks of substances or mga illicit substance ba. Mao ni siyang example sa controlled precursors and essential chemicals, which is table 1 and table 2. Dili na ako siya basahon mix kay tas-tas na kayo siya. The next one, which is cultivate or culture any act of knowingly planting, growing, raising, or permitting the planting, growing, or raising of any plant which is the source of dangerous drugs. So, nakakay kuan mismo kani kabalo ka mismo nga ga-plant sila or ga-kuan gani tanong sila mga illegal drugs ba. So, pag nakabalo ka mismo nga wala nimo sila giikuan, wala nimo sila gibadlog, so pwede ka matagaan og penalty for kuan na wala. Murag kuan na ka ba nang challenge ka nga wala ka kuan. Wala ka kuan sila. Mo na siya cultivate or culture pagpadaghan or pagparami sa mga illegal drugs. So the next one, which is dangerous drugs, include substances listed the schedule of 1961 Single Convention of Narcotic Drugs as amended by 1972 Protocol at the 1971 Single Convention of Psychotropic Substances. So, wala naman tayo sa dangerous drugs, no? Kanang mga kwan, mga illegal ba? Kanang mga cocaine, marijuana, shabu, heroin. Mo ni siya makes example sa dangerous drugs. So, daghan kayo siya mga kwan, mga illegal ba? Dangerous yun. So, the next one, which is delivered, any act of knowingly passing dangerous drugs to another personally or otherwise by any means with or without consideration. So, kabalo naman tao sa meaning sa deliver, no? Kanang kabalo ka mismo, ka-deliver ka kwan gani, kanang illegal drugs or mga kwan, then you will be fined by kwan, by the court or nagaan kang sentensya sa court na ikaw mismo ka-deliver anak na kwan, drugs. So, the next one, which is den, dive, or resort, a place for illegal administration, delivery, storage, or distribution, sale, or use of dangerous drugs and controlled chemicals. So, ang den or dive mo, siya, refer siya sa location kung asa ang mga illegal activities, kaya tamo, murag. Other term for den, dive, or resort, which is a camp. Camp po nila nga, dira sila mismo ga-operate or ga-padaghan sa droga. Muna siyang mga kwan, kung asa na itabo ang mga illegal na gawain, mga dangerous drugs. Muna siyang dive or resort. The next one was dispense. Any act of giving away, selling, or distributing medicine or any dangerous drugs with or without use of prescription. So, ikaw mismo hatag kag kuan mga droga kani distribute kag mga droga para makapadaghan ug kuan ka makahalin ka sa mga droga or ginahimo nimo siya negosyo gani. So, the person who omit the dispense, which is pusher, ang pusher mismo ang trabaho sa kuan mga dispense. Siya distribute sa mga droga or pamaligya or para makahalin siya ba. So the next one, which is the employee of den, dive, or resort, a caretaker, helpers, lookout, watchmen, and other workings in location where dangerous drugs and controlled chemicals are illegally managed, employed by the owner or operator with or without compensation. So, sa sulod sa kampo, sa den, dive, or resort, na sa employee nga gatrabaho mismo sa kuan sa kanang kampo, which is matawag nato siya nga employee or caretaker. So, sa wala pang kakabalo, sa nakabalo ka, pwede ka masintend siya sa korte o kuan o hindi commit ka kuan Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act. Ang korte na mismo mo kuan prescribe sa minimum sentence o maximum. Financer, any person who pays for, raises, or supplies money for, or underwrites any of the illegal activities prescribed under this act. So, mo ni siya ang conmates, kaning ang isa ka individual nga gasuporta nga para mo padaghan gani, or muhatag og finance, or mga kwarta para padaghanon pang droga, palambuon pa, or siyang gasupport sa usa ka organization ba? Yes. Mo na siyang financer. So the next one, which is illegal trafficking. The illegal activities related to dangerous drugs and controlled chemicals, including cultivation, delivery, administration, manufacture, sale, trading, transportation, importation, exportation, and distribution, which is kasabot naman taon sa illegal trafficking sa kanang illegal siya nga pag-import gikan sa lain nasod kay due to drug substance gani, mga dangerous drugs sa pagbaligya, pag-import gikan sa lain nason or pag-distribute, pag-gamat sa mga drugs gikan sa ubang nason or pag-kwan. As long as i-transfer siya, na-illegal siya ba? Yes. So the next one, which is manufacture, the production and processing of dangerous drugs and controlled chemicals through various methods including extraction from natural sources or chemical synthesis, as well as packaging and labeling. This includes activities performed by authorized practitioners related to their professional practice, such as administration, research, or testing involving substances not intended for sale or any other purposes. So, manufacture, the other term for manufacture was to gama kani or mo process sa mga droga or mo study pa or mo make the drugs or make the dangerous drugs through controlled precursor or essential chemicals yani. Mo siya ng kuan mo gama or other terms sa manufacture. So mo siya example sa manufacture. So thank you mates for listening.